Good morning everybody, and here I am on my way to Baseco Beach once again for yet another cleanup operation with the volunteers. Today I might not be seeing the same faces that I've been seeing before because at least some of the people are actually going to be at a different cleanup operation. To them they're saying it's more important, but I just wanted to come back to Baseco Beach again to see the progress that has been made because the last time that I was there, I already mentioned in my video about it that it really seemed that it was cleaner than the previous time before that. Because the first time that I was there, oh my god guys, it was really horrible. There were so many dead fish that showed up from the water, and a lot more garbage and a lot more plastic that was visible both in the water and also on the sand. There I saw, damn, yeah, this place needs a lot of work. Somebody else, actually another YouTuber, made a video called Swimming in the Dirtiest Beach in Manila. And for that video he chose to make it on Baseco Beach. I don't know, that's anybody that I was there with to clean up the garbage, like, well, there were actually some other foreigners, but all of the rest are just locals. They said, wow, I would never want to be in that water. So yeah, here's the neighborhood already. I'm very close by now, and you could unfortunately tell that we're coming to the right place by seeing just how broken down this neighborhood seems. The two previous drivers that took me here, they actually never they didn't even know that this was a beach here. They heard the name Baseco Beach, but they just thought it's the name of this barangay, and that there's no sand or anything there, but yes, there is. And the locals that live here, they visibly appreciate that their place is being cleaned by volunteers, and they do actually see, you know, that as an example, and they start helping collect the garbage as well. Different kids just come up to me and throw garbage into the bag that I was carrying around. The real problem about this garbage is that a lot of it ends up being eaten by different wildlife in the water, which we end up eating a lot of the same garbage, and a lot of plastic, particularly plastic, that these fish and other wildlife eat. You know, the old saying, you are what you eat. And if the fish eat garbage and then we eat the fish, you know, what does it say about us? So that's why I'm coming back over here to raise some awareness and do what needs to be done in order to get other people to realize that this is an important issue, and that cleaning up the environment has a lot of benefits in so many different ways. So hopefully there's going to be a bigger crowd. It seemed like there were actually more people there last time also than the time before. There were more general volunteers and also other vloggers. Just trying, you know, we should all try to do what we can. And here I am. The truck is already here, so I'm going to get my equipment. Oh, bye Kuya. My driver. Just in here. So I'll get the tools I need and get to work. Hello. How's it going? You're here to clean up the beach too? No? Alright. Maybe next time, huh? Thank you. Great. Thank you so much, Kuya. Alright. Let's see if anybody's here who I already know. Or maybe I'll just make some new friends. Wow. Oh my god, so many people. There were not so many people here last time. Wow. Okay. Well, that's really good to see. What's not good to see though is that, yeah, there's a lot more garbage here this time. Although that's kind of to be expected because it was raining, so yeah, I kind of thought that there's going to be more garbage here. And yeah, it's not looking that good right now. But because there's so many people here to clean up, that's definitely going to make an impact. So this is what the cleanup at Baseco Beach looks like when you actually get down to it. It's a mess. especially with all the styrofoam. Damn, I haven't seen it that bad last time, or the time before. So the last time that I was here, it was significantly cleaner than the time before that. But now it's the worst I've ever seen. The tide was coming in. Oh wow, so much garbage. But I've also haven't seen that many volunteers. Last time I was here, there were much fewer people here. So I've never seen this many. Cleaning up Baseco Beach. Of all the things to be doing on a Saturday morning, I chose to come here. And you know what? I'm really feeling great about it. Like, actually, as you end up doing it, it's really the best feeling. And that's something that I was always, keeping in my mind, because I think I felt like waking up at 6 o'clock this morning after that Monopoly game last night. When I came home at past midnight, had like only like 5 hours of sleep or whatever. And yeah, I'm no coffee this morning, no nothing like that. Just had a little piece of Spanish bread with some water. You know what? That's it. I'm good to go. Hey, good morning. Don't worry, I'm not talking to myself. I'm talking to the camera. Do you need some help with the shovel, maybe? Yeah, sure.
Madam.
All right. On to step 2.
I will hold it for you.
Oh, thank you. Hi, Nakwa. Most of the fans in here.
Ano naman yun? Mama ang maangan. Why, di ba ganun alam yung lahat? Oo sa'yo.
Digging into the dirt. All of this will be picked up by a truck later, but it has to be placed in bags first. That's where me and this group of volunteers come in. That's interesting, actually. I don't see any other YouTube vloggers here. Oh well. I guess today is just me, which is fine. I get to concentrate more on what I'm doing. Oh. Hey guys, so I found this group of kids over here that apparently got together through a Facebook group, and they all go to the same school. All of you are in the same school?
Yes!
Nice. What school do you go to?
Bermuda National High School.
Bermuda National High School. Yeah, so they found out about this event happening every Saturday, and they decided to also come out over here. Do you guys come here every Saturday, or
This is our
second time? That's good. And are you planning to come back, keep doing this later?
Yes.
It's a really
Why
awesome
not?
thing. It's great. It's so good for the community, good for the environment. The more people do this, the more it becomes infectious. Like, how many of you knew about it first before coming here? Was it like one person and then they spread it to everybody else?
It's one person.
Exactly. So one person is responsible for this whole group. You see? So you never know what kind of an impact you could make. If one person sees a random act of kindness, that can spread to more heights than you can imagine. Great job. I'm so happy that all of you are out here doing this. So wonderful to see. Thank you guys. MMDA has been organizing this event every Saturday. So there are some government organized volunteers that are here, and they're also making their own video presentation. Hopefully they will also post it on YouTube and Facebook and other popular platforms so that more people will get to see it. When you see something like this happening, it's undeniable that there are a lot of people that really do care on a regular basis too. This is like the third time I'm here already, and I'm still planning to come back again and again, or maybe possibly do something similar in other places. But yeah, I'm really glad that this is happening. right. This is what happens here every Saturday, guys. Why not come over and help sometime? Preparation is finished? We're done for today?
Very easy. Oh, bilis, bilis! Aalis ka! Mahirap sila kakaisip. Ayun na, vlogger! May burger! Vlogger is burger.
Yeah, I know a lot of vloggers come here sometimes.
Yes. Every operation. Ang kukulit nyo! Tingnan nyo yung katabi ko, behave! Napaka-behave!
This is how the garbage gets cleared up from Baseco Beach, at least in part. It's definitely cleaner now than when I just got here. It's 7 o'clock, that was more than 2 hours ago already. And there's very significant progress. So this team of volunteers is out here every single Saturday doing what they can. And you know what, it really does make a difference. And here's my grab car. Hi Kuya. Good morning. Whew, finally got in my ride and on my way back home. What I really need is a nice cool shower and some breakfast because basically didn't need anything except for a little half of a Spanish bread. And yeah, gonna go to have brunch with my wife and her friends later in a little while. And that's gonna be the start of my day.
So hard to see from the moment we arrive. Cornelia, you are one who will survive.
We're out of Baseco Beach area and we're now on Bonifacio Drive, heading back home towards the Gaspi village. When I originally set out to make this video, I was planning to make this into a full day vlog, but then I decided to condense it into just one episode because this subject is very near and dear to my heart. So in the next episode, there will be more great content to look forward to. In the meantime, please stay tuned for more of the Time-Lapse Traveler.